Hey everybody, what we have here is the Pixel G1s RGB video light. Let me open up the box so you can see what it is. The famous unboxing on the tuber. Built-in 12-watt rechargeable battery, LED camera, light 360 degrees, full color. So I guess that means all the colors because it's full color. It says 12 common light effects. A lot of the lights that you buy out there now, they're CRI 95. This one's a CRI 97, greater than a 97. You know, I'm just a YouTuber person. I could care less if it's a CRI 93. It means absolutely nothing to me. I just want good lighting. So this has got better with the CRI than the average one out there. The impressive thing on this, it's 2500K to 8500K. Most lights you're going to see, it might go to 5000K or maybe 6000K. So this thing goes, this thing goes a little bit higher in the bright light. When you get to about 5000, you're saying, oh my gosh, do I really need anything brighter? Let's see what's in the bottom over here. In the bottom, okay, maybe I should unzoom this thing. I can't. We got a little sack, a cloth sack. What do we have? Some instructions. Nobody reads instructions. Oh, we got a cable over here. I almost lost the cable. So we get the cable out of the way. Rechargeable cable, because I said that it is, look, that looks like a USB-C. USB-C jack on the thing goes to your USB-A on the, okay, so let's get the sack out of the way. I don't want to hold my sack in my hand now. What do we have here? We've got a quarter 20 that's going to go into your standard cold shoe. And then we have, let's take this out of the bag and see what this is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the video description. And if you want to buy this from Amazon, just click on that link. It will help me out. It's an affiliate link. What do we have here? I don't even know what the heck this is. This is a quarter 20. Okay, so it looks, oh, this is really nice. These things, you know, if you bought these just alone online, these would probably cost you like 15, 20 bucks. Looks like this is a quarter 20 that will screw into the light. And then you also have your jack, so you can screw that onto your tripod. So that's what it is. That goes on the tripod, and this goes on the light. And this one goes onto the light, and this goes onto your cold shoe. What else do I want to say about this? What does it say? Colorful light effects. 80 piece bi-color, so it's got 80 LEDs, 70 piece RGB. Why did I get this? Okay, so the 2500 to 8500K is definitely much better spec'd out than a lot of the lights out there. And I was looking at another light. I'll admit it was half the price. The light I was looking at was $38. This was 69 bucks. Good old $69. It had 1500 lux. It had the lumens on here were much better than the other light. Yeah, it cost more money, but that's okay. Built-in 7.4 volt, 3200 milliamp rechargeable battery. Nobody cares about that. USB Type-C charging port. Can be fully charged in 2.5 hours and offers 150 minutes of operation at 100% brightness. Working time can be longer than 150 minutes when the brightness is set lower than 100%. Okay, something slipped over here, sorry, brighter than 100%. Rotating arm on the cold shoe or LED panel. It was equipped with a 360-degree rotating arm. You get the light, you get the carrying bag, you get the quarter, the screw thing, the charging cable, and a manual. And okay, so I'm a YouTuber. Let me shut this off for a minute. You can see this is the lighting that I normally use. I don't have, it's too much trouble to set up the second one right now. Sometimes I use both lights if I want even lighting. Sometimes I just don't care. So that's the one over there that I'm using. I'm using a lamp hanging off the table. And I was thinking, do I really want to buy something like this? I've bought a few portable lamps and I wasn't really happy with them. Always careful when I do my unboxing that I save the package in case I need to return it. And we're dealing with a really rough time now where it's going to be hard to return packages because nothing's opened in the country, in the world. So let's look at this now. And how do I do this? This is the impressive part of the light that I saw. This is machined aluminum, so this is not cheap. This definitely cost them some money to do. This is some good quality workmanship over here. And look at this. This is another thing that anybody who's shooting video or a YouTuber is going to be happy with. Because what you can do, you can put this thing in here and then put it onto your tripod, and you've got 2 more quarter 20s so that you can attach a mic or something else. Let's look on the bottom. We have the USB port over here. Nothing on that side. Looks like we have a power switch on this side, and we have some controls. We've got a, I'm assuming that's going to be your thing to figure out what the colors are, and this is probably going to have battery charging and what the temperature of the light is. Over here we have DM, I don't know what that is, the set. We've got FN. So this is going to be, it's always hard to do these things unless you turn off all the lighting that's in the room. I don't even know if this is charged up. Let me press the switch on here. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We've got the battery, brand new, is almost charged. And so we've got the battery, it's almost charged. We got 2500K. I don't know what the 50, that's probably the brightness. CCT, I think that's because you're using a regular light. Let's see what happens when we adjust this. So we're adjusting the brightness. We're adjusting the brightness. What I want to do, I want to show you over here. And I know my video quality is not the greatest. I just try to do my best to make everybody happy and show them what products are out there. We're going 85, 86. This thing's really kind of cool. We're at 100% brightness right now. It's having a hard time adjusting, so we're at 2500. Let me turn this. Okay, so 2500 is the bottom setting, and now we're, oh my gosh, look at this. We're going in the 3000s now. Now we're going to start getting to 4000. This is a bright, you can see how bright it is, and we're not even halfway there yet. We're at 5000, which you're going to see on your standard light. This is shooting out a massive amount of brightness right now. I looked online, I saw a lot of videos, and I thought, I don't really want a wimpy light that doesn't pump out a bunch of brightness. That's why I bought the big lights that are on the tripod. But this thing is shooting out some serious brightness. The 8500. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is, it's probably going to flip out the camera's not going to like this. I am impressed. I'm really impressed. I want to try to show you how wide this is. So, I'm not the best at doing YouTube videos, but this is, I mean, look at the brightness. Look at what this is doing. This is, okay, I want to show you one other thing now. What I do is I do a lot of video reviews. And so I bought this because sometimes, well, okay, last week I was doing a repair on a toilet. I wanted to do a video of the toilet tank, and I didn't want to carry a huge light stand and a light. This would have been perfect. Okay, now, when I do my videos, let me get this out of the way. I do my videos and I've got a ton of shadowing, and I thought, will this get rid of the shadowing problem? Let's put on this other light. I should have 2 lights, and then I should have this at the back. But this is pretty neat. And as I said, you can attach this thing, you can put it on the cold shoe. And if you don't want, if you're gonna do a, what do they call it, a run and gun, a gun and run, a gun and run son. If you're going to be doing a product review, you want to say, hey, I don't want to go take my lights and my stand. This is going to accomplish what you need. And I'll be honest, I buy a lot of Amazon products and do reviews. And most of the stuff I keep, a lot of stuff I return because I'm just not happy with it. I'm not happy with it. And in this case, I'm happy with this. I'm keeping this. I don't need to keep the package because I'm going to keep this thing. So we're at 8400 right now, and we're dropping down. I want you to see what's going on. You can see it in the background. We'll put that over there. So we're at 8400. Yes, there's other lighting in the room right now. We're at 2500, and we're going to drop this down. This is where, let me turn off this light. Let me turn off this light, and we'll do this again. What are we at right now? So we're going dimmer, so you've got the older style, the camera's not, okay, 2500. And that's like the older style lights, the incandescent lighting that you had where you could put this and you could shine it. Let's look at the curtain again, if I can adjust this. So if you're doing if you have 2 people hooked onto the curtain over there. You can see how it's a nice light. It's a yellowish light. What did I just do there? Oh, I turned the brightness down. Okay, so let's do a low brightness and a 2500. This is very peaceful. It's a nice, look at the table, it's a nice color. And then if you want to go to full brightness, no, that's off. I'm going to go to full brightness, we're at 100, and then you want to go, oh, well, look at that, look what just happened. The camera's not even showing it because it's so bright, the temperature is so bright. We're at 8400 right now. Look at the brightness on this. This is really cool. So there is another thing, what do we have here? You've got little buttons over here you can press. I don't know if that sets it, I don't know what that does. I don't know if that locks it in. Let's press it and see what it does. There's a way to make this switch. Oh, okay, so these are presets. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I love this. I'm happy. 8500. It doesn't do anything. Oh my God. Yow. Now I was thinking, do I really need an RGB light? I mean, come on, when am I ever going to use something like this? Unbelievable. I don't even know how to switch the rest of these things. I'm turning this knob over here and look at this. Look at the background. This is just insane. Get the flashing light. That must be the presets that they've got. Does this do the same thing? I want to get rid of that flashing. So I should read the instructions. I'm just trying to show you what this thing is capable of doing. Does this do some presetting also? I don't know. We're almost done with the video. I guess that I don't know if that has any effect because I really have not read the instructions like I said. So let me do this one more time just so you can see what's going on. This is a really nice light. For the amount of money I just spent for this, I am happy. I got my money's worth. I'm really happy. And if you're thinking you're going to go online and buy this thing at a much better price than what you can get on Amazon, you're not going to do it. You cannot find lights with this amount of capability. It's red, and I know it doesn't look red. You cannot find these lights, even if you buy them out of the country. You're not going to find something with this capability for the price that you can buy this from this company on Amazon. So, a really neat, look at this. This is just absolutely incredible. Normally I'm not that excited when I do it. Okay, so this is doing, it's just crazy flashing here. And what is that? FX. So I don't know what these things are, but should you buy this? Yes. If you were a YouTuber and you're just going to do, even like me, I just do simple video reviews. How do I get this back to CCT? Okay, that's what I wanted. So if there are no lights on in this room right now, there's a light way, way, way behind me. All the video lights are off right now. So what are we at? 8,500? 30, I'm only at 36%. So if I was going to be doing a video review, where are we at? 100%, 8,500. If I was doing a video review of this table, it would help to have some other lighting, but if I didn't have it, I'd be able to make the video if I needed to without lighting. I could just put this on the cold shoe and make my video. And if I added some lighting in here, I mean, look at the difference now when you've got all this lighting, and this is just a lamp hanging on the computer table. Everything's perfect. Yeah, I'm keeping this. This is really neat. This is a really cool product. They say 150 minutes. I don't know if you're going to get 150 minutes. I don't know what the longevity of this light is. All I can say is I got my money's worth, and I could not be happier. Make sure you check the video description. Please click on the affiliate link When you buy something, it will help me out, it will help you out, it will take you straight to Amazon. Even if you're not going to buy from Amazon the light, if you buy from Amazon at all, click on the link before you make your purchase. It helps me out, keeps my channel going. Please leave a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, a share, you know, all that stuff. Look at this. This is so awesome. If you want to donate to my channel to keep me going, ask for my PayPal. Thanks for watching, people. This is a really awesome purchase. This is really cool. Look at all the stuff you get. I am happy. Heck yeah. And how do you shut this thing off now? Yeah, it will definitely help if I read the instructions.